Welcome back. Well, it looks like we're going to have a soaker overnight tonight, and that's going to be followed by an Arctic surge of cold air. It's going to stay with us for several days. We're heading for hard freezes as we head into tomorrow night, also Thursday night, Friday morning, then a gradual moderating trend, but more rain on the way probably at some point this weekend. So let's take a look at the big picture, and we're looking at our next weather maker that is racing in the jet stream now just about through New Mexico, heading for Texas, and that's engendering surface low pressure that is developing along the Texas coast that's going to parallel the Louisiana coast. Meanwhile, we have this big upper level low, the part of the polar vortex that's stretched out, and it has been supplying bitterly cold air to the northern plains, and that's going to be working its way southward. And we get a taste of that for a couple of days. And remind you that this colder air is going to be moving over a pretty big snow field that is left behind by this winter storm that's going to produce up to, say, about 14-15 inches of snow across portions of Missouri, 6 to 12 just about everywhere in the winter storm warning area in shaded in pink here. Meanwhile, for us, it's all liquid form, and that's the way it's going to stay. But notice there are winter weather advisories in the northern part of the state for this system down the road. For us, though, again, all rain. As we look at the regional Doppler radars, some heavier showers and thunderstorms, seeing cloud to ground, or in this case, cloud to water lightning out in the Gulf, and some pretty hefty storms in around the Houston area. If you're expecting somebody to fly in from Hobby or Intercontinental, there's probably been some delays, especially coming out of Intercontinental, or if you're heading that way for sure. And these heavier storms are working their way northward and going to be moving in overnight tonight with a big soaking likely. Now, right now, not a whole lot going on inland, few spotty light showers. The most moderate rains we're seeing St. Mary Parish, and it gets heavier toward Morgan City, Amelia, and then points to the south and east. But you can see the rest of us are going to see that rain coming in the next couple of hours. Now, on top of that, the Storm Prediction Center is maintaining a marginal risk, a level 1 out of 5 for tonight. Main risk is going to be the possibility of some hail. Anywhere between pea to marble-sized hail would be expected. Maybe a little bit larger, but we'll have to wait and see. Perhaps damaging winds, but that's mainly going to be right along the immediate coast, the coastal parishes, and mainly the marshy areas through southeast Louisiana, maybe having the best chance of severe weather, and it's low at that. But we are going to get a soaking. Your rain chances at 100% tonight. Some locally heavy downpours. Gusty east-southeast winds gradually turn out of the northeast with time as that low skirts to the south of us. Here we are at midnight, and here we are at 2 a.m. Things winding down at that time. Temperatures staying in the 50s, but then they're dropping tomorrow. They stay in the 40s. Cloud cover stays with us. Wind chills in the 30s. And then as we head toward Thursday morning, watch the numbers go down. Temperatures in the mid-20s, wind chills in the mid-teens, and those numbers are just for Lafayette only. Expect an inch or two of rain most spots. I'm not expecting flooding, but you can see model picking up on the heavier rains over toward Morgan City, so there could be isolated amounts 3 to 4. And again, as you go farther to the north, your rain total is lighter. I-10 southward, 1 to 2, a pretty good bet at this time. Isolated higher amounts to the immediate coastal areas. For tonight, tomorrow morning, look at these temperatures plummeting down into the low to mid 30s across Cenla, and then mid to upper 30s. I-10 corridor will be in the lower 40s, and pretty much the same across the coastal parishes. And then we don't warm up a whole lot tomorrow. Mid to upper 30s for the northern parishes of Acadiana, and then wind chills will be about 10 degrees colder than that. Low to mid 40s. I-10 corridor will go about 44 in Lafayette, and low to mid 40s, maybe staying in the lower 50s across St. Mary Parish. And then tomorrow night, the winter chill, lower 20s, will be sub-freezing for a good 10 to 12 hours across all of Acadiana. So that means the pipes as well. Wrap the plants, get them indoors. Once again, we know the routine. So wind chills tomorrow, 20s to 30s, and that's the way they stay all day long. And then as we wake up Thursday morning, those wind chills in the low to mid-teens with stiff northerly winds. So for tonight, 100% chance of rain. Well, I'll look at the model throwing us a bone. It's at 99%, 100% chance of rain for tonight. 1 to 2 inches of rain possible. Rain ends by 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Then tomorrow, just a blustery day. Temperatures stay in the low to mid 40s, and prepare for a hard freeze for tomorrow night. Gusty north to northeast winds 15 to 25, gusts to 30. And then sunshine finally coming back for Thursday afternoon. After another freeze Friday morning, we warm up a little bit this weekend, but some rain on the way for the weekend. And then next week, a little spring on the way as well. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.